Hi guys, my name is Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. I have my little buddy here. I'm a new mom and I've been looking for easy ways to get food into my body while I'm holding my baby. So I made the steamed egg pudding, and this is a popular recipe from Steak and Butter Gal. Also Ketogenic Girl has done it, but I make it in my Instant Pot, so I have a different way of making it. So I'm going to show you that today. Stay tuned till the end so you can see the full method. Please subscribe, like this video, share with a friend. It really helps us out. Okay, let me show you the pudding. Okay, so this one has been refrigerated, so it is really yummy. See, it's kind of jiggly. And this one's cold. You can eat it hot or cold. And I put a little bit of butter or ghee in it to make it more fatty because I don't like it as lean as I've seen in other places. So I add a little bit of butter to it. You could add cream too. You could do like half water, half cream. So I will show you my method here in just a sec. And this is gonna be yummy. So I refrigerated this. I made it earlier and I'm just gonna eat it for breakfast. We're gonna make the egg pudding. This is the steamed egg pudding. So you need your Instant Pot. You need some salt, ghee, water, 4 eggs. This is just like 1 serving. If you want to make it sweet, you can add some vanilla. You could add a sweetener if you want to. So I don't like with just eggs because I like it to be a little fattier. So I put this. You could put cream if you want, but I react pretty badly to cream. So I just put this and then I put it in the blender to make it really creamy. 4 eggs in the blender. Okay, so now I've got my 4 eggs in there, and I'm just gonna add my water. So it's almost a full cup of water. It's just equal parts eggs to water, but I've measured it in the past and it was like 7/8 of a cup. Then I'm gonna put my ghee. So I use this ghee from Costco. And you just put it. If you have a more melted part, you can put the melt. See, this is the melted part. You could put, so I like to put about 2 tablespoons in there. Pot ready. And I put about maybe 2 cups of water, and this is the Instant Pot insert that is going to keep your bowl above the water. Get your bowl ready. You just need a oven safe bowl. This is a Fiesta bowl. You can use a metal bowl if you want. Now just turn it on low. Stevia, if that's something you like. You can add in about a teaspoon of vanilla if you want it like a little on the sweeter side, or you could experiment with lots of different ways. If you want it savory, you could even add some ingredients. It's up to you. And I'm just gonna pour it in. I'm gonna lock my lid, and you wanna make sure this part is locked. And then I'm just gonna start it on, I've already got it set, but on high for 4 minutes. So just let it cook now. Okay, so now it's gone off, so I just turn it off. You want to make sure that you release the pressure. Once you've released the pressure, just leave it for about 5 more minutes because it'll keep cooking when it's in there. So just leave it for 5 more minutes and it's off, and it will just keep cooking because the steam is still in there. All right, so it's been in there. So you can see that it's done. It's been in there about 5 minutes. It's still hot, but anyway, you can see that it's really cooked. And so it's all done. So you can eat it now, hot. Or you could put it in the fridge and let it chill for a while. It has a really good texture. And see the ghee kind of rises to the top a little bit, but it's not too bad. And see how it's real silky? You can see that. Yum. Like I said, you could make it savory or sweet. I haven't ever added stuff to it, but you could. You could add cream, like I said. You could add like half a cup of cream, half a cup of water, and that would work too. Yeah, so yummy. I'm excited. Okay, so I hope you liked that video of the pudding. We're gonna eat now. You can get my carnivore ebook. I'll show you up here what it looks like. And I have a coaching group coming up in January, so make sure that you sign up for that. I'll put the link down in the description box. So we're gonna go enjoy our pudding. Please share, like, subscribe. Tell me what you want my next video to be about. Let me know if you have any questions about how to make the pudding. So we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Pudding.